Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing today my Boxycharm Premium unboxing for the month of June. So if you don't already know, I unboxed my Boxy Lux, which came sooner than the Premium, which is weird, in another video. You might want to go watch that video for a specific reason. So if you're not subscribed, I hope that you would take the time to hit the subscribe button and join the family. Give the video a like if you do like Boxycharm unboxings. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So, obviously, the theme this month, again, is Oasis. And let's get into the box. So, the first thing I see here is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. And this retails MSRP $49. And it looks like this. How adorable is this? So it says the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. Super gentle, effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Let me have a smell at it. There's no smell whatsoever. But it looks like this. It's really, really creamy, sort of an off-white looking, I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, so very cool to have in the box. I'm loving on that already. Next thing we have in the box is, this is so cool! The Toofaced Cocoa Contour Palette. It says, lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. Buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffuse, subtle contour, so natural and effortless. All they'll see is your perfect bone structure. MSRP $44. I know that Too Faced products do always smell really good, so I'm excited for that. Here it is. Look how beautiful this is. It is stunning. I don't ever remember seeing this before. This is what it looks like. I'm blinding you. Oh my goodness. Here, that's what it looks like properly. Oh, it does smell divine. All right, well, why don't we just have a go at this? I'm going to take this light and medium contour shade here. I don't have any contour on, so that's really, really sheer. It looks nice, though. That's nice. It also has brighteners under it. This is the highlights, but they're brighteners. So I'm going to go in and let's see if it brightens it up. Oh, right, it does. So look at this eye compared to this eye. How much brighter it is. That is amazing. And worth every penny right there for that. Yeah. That's impressive. That really, really highlighted my under eye. It looks really good. I have the Lashaholic lashes in the box. They're real, I swear, it says. 100% silk lashes created on a lightweight, soft cotton band that'll leave your eyes loving you. It's a light crisscross pattern and tapered ends for a natural glam look. MSRP $14.99. Here is what they look like. Very, very cute. In fact, I think I'm going to go pop these on. Alright, here they are, popped on. They're really, really nice. I like them a lot. Very, very comfortable. I think they look really, really nice. And that is why I didn't put on any false lashes, because I peeked in here and I needed to know what was in it, because I do try-on style. So yeah, these look nice. I like those. Alright, moving on. Next thing in the box I have is the huge thing. I've never seen anything like this before. It's called Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your face. Face mask. Anti-wrinkle and energizing face masks. There are 6. So it says, as we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. This formula is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating skin. The MSRP on this is $25. I would have thought something like this would be like $80 because there's 6 masks, but it's only $25, and it's like ginormous. It's the size of the box. So anyway, I will give that a try. Definitely excited. Always excited for something anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. The next thing I have in the box are the Baddington brushes. It's a brush set. So it says our high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. MSRP, you guys are not even going to believe the MSRP on these. $90 $90 for these brushes. This one is less weighty. This one is heavy. It's like blinding you guys, I know. So I'm going to hold it kind of like, I'll just hold this one like this. So this is what it looks like. Really, really extremely soft. These feel very luxurious. They sure do, and they should be. They are 100% cruelty-free, and they're Taklon bristles. I don't know what that means, but my goodness, they feel very high quality and bougie, and I can't wait to try these out. I should have used it with the contour, so I wonder, yeah, it fits perfectly in the contour of the face. Interesting. Feels really, really nice. So I'm excited about that, but $90? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm just still stunned. Okay. The last thing in the box I have is this Skin & Co. Aroma Spirit Sardinian Shower Gel. Like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day. Oh my goodness. Free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils. Its limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer. MSRP is $22. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that smells delicious. Oh, it's a hint of like tangerine or mandarin. Oh, it smells so good, but not too much. And this is from New York, New York, distributed in Europe by Italia in Italy. So this is awesome. Also cruelty-free. Wow, we love organic farming, so this is great. I can't wait to try this out. So that is what I got in this month's box. I love this box. I'm not impressed with this, although I haven't tried it, so I can't say. But it's supposed to, you're supposed to wear this for 15 to 20 minutes, discard the mask, and massage remaining essence into the skin. Do not rinse. It just, I don't know. It's made in China. I don't know how impressed I am by that. I'm just saying, I like the brushes. Those are nice. This right here makes the box worth it. The Avocado sleeping mask. I love these lashes. They're really, really nice. Toofaced Cocoa Contour Palette. That's great all in itself. So I'm going to add up the value of this month's box and let you guys know definitely what's up with that. Alright guys, my box added up to $245 and I only paid $35. It's supposed to give you $175 worth of products, so I'm well over that. And I don't know. The thing is for me, if they're going to give me something worth $90, don't let it be, this. Because although they feel kind of weighted, they don't feel like $90 worth, and I don't want $90 brushes. Like, I don't know. I would want something else. Maybe two more things like this. An eyeshadow palette worth $45 or another skincare product worth $45. But to give me those brushes when I already got brushes in the first one, it's kind of like, I don't know. But I don't get the original box for when I get the Boxy Premium and Boxy Luxe, because that's not how it works for people that pay for their boxes like I do. So I just get Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. So that is my Boxy Premium box. I want to know, what did you guys love from yours? Do you have Boxycharm? Are you going to sign up for Boxycharm? I heard the base box was the best out of all of them this month, and I'm kind of sad that I didn't have the base box. I genuinely am very sad because I wanted that Touch and Soul eyeshadow palette. I really, really wanted it, but I didn't get it. In any event, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.